I am obsessed with my teeth whitening kit, which is this one. Stay with me in this video because I will literally explain to you how to do it and how effective this is. It's actually very effective, and all you have to do is put this inside your mouth, this here, inside your mouth. Comes with the charger, and then you apply a thin layer of this pens. You just twist it and brush it on your teeth, and after that you rinse it with warm water. And then this is for you to compare and check where did you start and how white are your teeth are coming along. I would say it's effective. If you look at my teeth, they're pretty white. They're not super white, but I'm not where I used to be. And also I like the fact that I can do it before I go to bed so you don't stain your teeth again. So I would say this is effective. I like the quality of the brand. I like what it does. And I see the progress on my teeth to have a bright smile, beautiful smile. So if you want to perfect that, then definitely try it out.